Hey everybody, welcome on back to the channel. Hopefully you're doing well. Happy Saturday. I decided that I needed to take a break from the squares and the confetti. Yes, I've put one diamond painting aside, started one up, put that aside, actually put that upstairs on my other desk. And I'm sitting downstairs here at my desk. It's a lot, Chris. It's a lot. And I wanted to go ahead and jump on into this one because this one is from Orloa, but this one is a big one, meaning it's long. So this is from Orloa. I cannot fit it all in frame here, but it is a 40 by 11.69 inch. So it's 40 inches long and 11 inches high. It is from Julie Korchesny, and it is called, let's see if I have it. Do I even have the name of it? Nope, don't have the name of it, and it's probably, oh, it's called Orloa Destination. So I've had this for a very long time. I'm going to see if I can try to pop a video, not a video, can I please speak? Chris, use your words, my friend. I'm going to pop a picture up here so you can see. But the reason why I'm recording this video is because I would like to kit this up with you. And I want to show you all how kitting up can be a little bit more easier than you thought, right? How many people like to kit up? Let me know in the comments down below. How many people don't like to kit up? Leave a comment down below. I have found the last few diamond paintings I've done that I like to keep my drills in baggies because I'm going to put them in my extra drill storage anyway when I have leftover drills. So kitting them up and having them like on my desk is something that I have wanted to make a little bit easier. So I'm going to show you what I do, okay? So I have a bag sorter, whatever you want to call it, from Bella Art Diamonds or Bella Art de Nicole. I've had this for a while now. The one thing I like about this, you can see that I do have some extra things in here, like some of my tips, and I'm going to put over here. My desk was clean. I am not going to lie. My desk was looking great this morning. I don't know what happened to it. So, you can do however many you want. What I'm going to do is, this is only going to be 50 colors. Okay. Now, I will also let you know that I've had this for a while. So I don't even know if this is going to be available still on Orloa. But I have to say that I am looking forward to doing this square. Nope, that's a bunch of lies, Chris. I am looking forward to doing this round because I've been working on nothing but squares lately. Oh, okay. 50 colors and 4 ABs. You know what we're going to do with that, friends? We are going to use sparkle dust drills and pixie dust instead of the ABs. All right. So, another thing I do too is I kind of just save this right here. I save my labels. And I don't take them off. They're great labels. If you can see, they're great labels. But I kind of just put it on a piece of paper and I kind of hang it up here on my desk so I can see instead of me looking on, you know, the edges. But this is the painting, if you can see. That's how pretty it's going to be. And it's long. I love it. I love the Hawaiian feel to it. I've worked on another one from Julie Korchesny, and I fell in love with it. I'm on an Orloa kick right now. I am. There's actually a couple other paintings I've seen that I really want to grab, but I got to finish the ones that I have now. So this has been in my stash for a while. It's been in my stash for a while. All right, so I'm going to put this aside here. And next, I'm going to try to put these in order. Now, what I don't know is if I have used these for something else. So let's just empty all of this. I don't know if I snuck in this pile and use these for other diamond paintings. So I don't know what exactly we're going to have. We may have some. We may have none. We may have some missing, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to try to go in order. So this is a 6, a 45. Let me see, a 5. No, that's a 50. So we're going to take the 50 out. We're going to take the 49 out because they're ABs. I'm going to try, okay, number 1 I have. So I'm going to put number 1 right here. And number, let's see, number 9. Oh, hold on a second. There's 2 legends, whatever you want to call them. That's a lot. Oh, I thought it was just right here. I'm like, no wonder why it looks entirely way too small. Let's grab this right here. So 370, yeah, so that's going to be a 9. Okay, I'm just going to go and try to put some of these in order. Now, the labels are a little lower down on the bag, so they're going to be kind of harder for me to see, but we're just going to go with it. 5, 25. I have to turn my light on a little bit more. Hold on a second. Let me see something real quick. Can I turn this up? Let's turn this up a little bit more. There we go. Yes. Let's flip these over and see. So we have 11. I don't know why these are all out of order. It's just going to be interesting to see. But I really do enjoy doing it this way because I don't have to worry about containers taking over. And I know some people have worked out of baggies the whole time they've been diamond painting. So I just hit my mic. I apologize. This is kind of like, you know, we're just going to rock and roll here. Okay, 7. So that's 6. 7. And the good thing is you can take these little parts out, put them in. Okay. Here goes a 10. We'll go right here. I do see another AB. A 13. I'm going to put that behind here. I'm actually going to take these out real quick. So 13. 24. Wait, here goes a 16 right here. This is a 40. Oh, 19. Wow, I really did mix this up. This was in my craft closet in the living room, and I was looking upstairs, and I said, what painting can I do that's going to be kind of easy for me to do like over the weekend and not pull my hair out and doesn't have too much confetti? And this was the one. So I'm going to look for 27 if I can. Oh, that's a 3. So let's put 1, 2, 3. If we can flip these over, it's kind of like, you remember how you get Diamond Art Club and you're trying to find the numbers. Oh, well, I think I might be missing some. I'm not going to lie. I am not going to lie to you. I think I'm missing some already. So 26. I don't see a 27. Yep, 27. Okay, here we go. 27. 28. Did we see a 29? I see a 25 and a 23. I'm going to put them in here if I can. And that's a 29 and a 30. Okay, we'll go to 30 there. And 17 can go over here. We're getting there. 18. Please say I have a 19. Oh, I have 19 already. Okay. So, 32, 33, 34. Here's a 31, 35, 36. $37, I know it. Okay, 37. Sorry, I keep hitting the mic. 37. 38, 39, 40, 41. Move these over here. So we got 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I'm going to have to go into my Sparkle Dust collection and pick out ones that our ABs go to. So let's go put this number 8. So it is kind of, that's a 7, wait, a 9, 8, 6. Hold on a second, Chris. 9 goes right there. Okay. And then 22, I can put over here. Yeah, and I like these because I can put other stuff behind here. Like I can put my pens, my putty. If I can get this to work, it would be great. I really feel bad that I've put 2 diamond paintings aside. Not so good. So I'll put in my pens. Okay, put my pens there. I'm going to put the ABs right here for a second, and then we are going to pick out our 4 Bella Sparkle Dust Drills or Diamond Drills USA Sparkle Dust. All right, so I am back. This is my Sparkle Dust drill container. It's not the greatest. It's not where I want it to be. I am so out of breath because I had to run upstairs. All right, so we do not have 5,200. So I am going to find, I think it's 3865. I'm going to use 3865 for this AB. I'll put that together. Let's take a look at this one. 210. We don't have a 210, but I think we can use a 209 maybe. I mean, these don't have to match up totally, so I think I'm gonna use this one for that. And then 48 is going to be a 605. I do have a 605. Nice. We'll use a round. And I have plenty. There is a little bit of a difference, but that's all right. Sorry, I'm not getting this in frame. All right. And then 49 is 907, which I do think I have. And here we go. Like I said, more than enough. They're slightly different, but that's all right. No big deal. This is why I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to put this aside. And I have squares and rounds in here, but I definitely need to redo this. That is probably going to be, believe it or not, a summer project. All right. Okay. So let me put this in our book real quick, which I have to get, and that's underneath my desk. I am not going to go through the heartache of letting you all know that I cannot get underneath my desk right now because I have a ton of stuff on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on top of this Oroloa I'm doing. And I'm going to clip it and I'm going to put it on my desk right here. I don't think it will snap off. Hopefully not. So I can see all the DMC codes and all that great stuff. So with this, I'm going to put in my, let's start with 47. We're going to do 209, 605, 38, 907. And then our sparkle dust here. So I'll place that here. And then I will, oops, I got the wrong one in here. There we go. And then I'll put the rest of my ABs behind here. I promise you all, I will try to get another video rocking and rolling in the future with my ABs. Like, how many ABs have we saved since we've been using Bella Sparkle Dust and Pixie Dust and all that good stuff? So I'm really excited about working on this. So I have I said so like 5 times in one sentence. My goodness. I do have my light pad. Now I like this painting because it kind of feels like it's a like a snack size, but I just really wanted to work on something a little bit different and kind of get the rounds tend to go a little bit faster for me. This does have some confetti, but it's not a whole lot of confetti. But I like how it goes long ways, and I literally can just I can just clip it here. I'll clip it. I gotta find a clip. Do I need a clip? I probably don't need a clip, but I'm going to enjoy this. So that's how I kit up. I don't use the labels. I put them on a piece of paper. I hang them to where I can see them. I put my bags in a bag sorter, whatever you want to call it. And I put my ABs aside. I pick out my other sparkle dust or fairy dust, pixie dust, whatever you want to call it. And I get rocking and rolling. I have saved several hours not kitting up. And the good thing is when I'm done with these, I can just put them in my boxes for extra drills, and we are set to go. All right, friends, I'll let you know how this rocks and rolls. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this Saturday. Love you all. If you're considering subscribing, please do so. It would mean the world to me. I've seen so many beautiful faces. Please join the family. Join the chaos, okay? And let me know, how do you like to kit up? And I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, my friends.